Hello everyone. Today I would like to guide you how to install the multiprocessing indicator plus play action to MT4 that you see on my channel rachanchaihan. Okay, step 1. You have to install the MT4 any broker such as XM, XNet, FBS, or any broker based on MQL4. Okay, and I use XM Global MT4. I already installed and logged in. Okay, any MT4 should be shown like this. Okay, and after you already install MT4, and then go to my indicator. Inside I have 7 indicator here that I show you on YouTube channel. I use this indicator Rachan version 9. Yeah. Okay, I will explain a little bit of each indicator. This one, Rachan V version 9, is mean main processing indicator. Inside this indicator is will be include 4 or 5 indicator. It mean I will call sub indicator. It will recall sub indicator inside here, inside main indicator. Okay, for this one, Rachan BB is mean sub indicator 1. Rachan currency pair is mean this one show only the currency pair, the name of currency pair, and Rachan time show only time, is mean counter or time here, and another sub indicator is Rachan cycle here, and Rachan slope, and also Rachan support resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4 sub indicator inside the main indicator already record this. Okay, and I have to copy all indicator, right click and copy, and then open MT4 you have. Any MT4 I use XM. Okay, and then go to file and click open data folder here, and then go to MQL4 here and click folder indicator. You can see inside inside the folder indicator of MT4 have a lot of the example of the indicator. I will right click again and paste or indicator here. I already have it. Okay, and then close. Okay, step 2. After you copy or indicator inside MT4 folder, and then you have to go to navigator bar here. You can click here, and then right click refresh. Okay, step 2 finish. Okay, and for the for who want to use manual thread is don't want to use the robot or MT2AQ robot here. Want to use only indicator. It means want to use for manual thread. Okay, how to recall my indicator, how to use it my indicator. Okay, and then the first step, after you copy our indicator inside MT4, and then you open, go to file and new chart and open the currency pair I use, EU for example, and you can change the time frame to, I recommend file. M5 is mean time frame file. Here you can click files, and I want to change the property of chart a little bit. I right click and go to property, and then I go to the common tab here. I click don't show here and click OK. You see, and then I use the candlestick pattern here. You can press plus and minus on your keyboard here to resume here. Okay, and then if you have like this, you want to change, if you don't like the color of your chart, you can change here setting. Okay, now I follow the default of MT4 chart, and step 2, click left click the indicator Russian currency pair, left click here and hold it and press in the MT4 chart here. It shows like this, and then click OK. You can see here EU, the name of currency pair should show like this. Okay, and another indicator Russian time that I said you before. Yeah. Left click and press again and click OK. Here show the time here. Today I record on Sunday. It means broker already closed, the market is closed, time is not counted. Okay. The last indicator is Russian version 9, right? Version 9 here. Left click and press again. Yeah. And click OK. You can see this one for the manual trade. Okay. You can see I have the symbol here for the when the signal become for the call option here, show the picture call on green color here, and also show the symbol like this and show the alert like this. Okay, if you want to know how long the period of symbol of alert show, you can click here, and then you can use your mouse, click, hold, and like this. You can see, you can estimate time here, how long the signal come here. This one is mean callback. Okay, for the manual trades, click back again. Okay, this for the if you want to use manual trade, you use only this. So finish, and you can right click again and click property. Right click again and use and click the indicator list here. You can see you record only 3 indicators here, correct? And I want to use this template to another currency pair here. How to do it? That okay, I want to save this template. This template is already finished and already working. I want to save this template. I right click and then I go to template and click save templates. And you can write the name of template you want. I write okay, finish. And how to use your template that you save before. You can go to another currency pair and then right click, go to template, and then file here the name of template you save as. Click here. Okay, now template is already become the same the previous template. Yeah, or you want to open, or you can click new chart here and click the new currency pair and then change the time frame and then right click template and select the name of template you want. Yeah, okay, and then again go to file, new chart, template, time frame, and choose the name of template you save. Okay, and then you want to separate group of each chart. You can click this button here to arrange window, or you press alternate R right here. You see, you can see here. If you open more, you can click here again, and if you close this and press alternate R. Okay, for the manual trade, finish. Okay, and another video I want to guide you how to install my indicator, multi processing indicator with price action to MT2 IQ robot. Okay, this video finished. Have a nice trade. I hope this tutorial can help you how to you can apply to the new indicator you have. The step of the step how to recall, how to use the indicator in to MT4. You can follow like this. Okay, thank you.